Hey everybody, it's Norm from Tested. I want to give you all a quick update as to what's going on around the Tested universe. I'm sure some of you may have heard that Adam has signed on for a new TV show. He's going to be hosting Mythbusters Jr., which we're super excited about. And while he'll be going into production for that, it doesn't mean he'll be stopping doing any of the things he's been doing for Tested, including, of course, one-day builds. We have a lot more one-day builds planned in the upcoming months, and we actually have 3 of them being edited right now, one of which, I'll give you a little teaser, may involve a Nerf blaster. It's pretty cool. I also want to call attention to the fact that we are nominated for 2 Webby Awards this year. We're hugely honored. Adam is nominated for Best Web Personality, and the one-day build he did with Michael Stevens, Vsauce, in building their kendama, is also up for Best DIY Video. We could really use your help in getting these voted up. The links are below, and voting does end this Thursday. Voting helps us know that these are the kind of videos that you guys like, and so we'll do more of them. Once again, thank you so much for watching Tested content. We have a lot more coming, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.